answering a question from Mac and Chaz. Mac and Chaz would like to know, how does plastic turn into compost? First, what is compost? Compost is a mixture made from organic materials decomposing naturally. Microorganisms feed on the organic matter, which converts it into a stable soil additive with plenty of nutrients available to help plants grow. It is usually created by combining nitrogen-rich waste, like food scraps, with carbon-rich waste, like leaves, along with water in an environment that allows oxygen to circulate. In order for plastics to become compost, they first have to be biodegradable, or able to be broken down by microorganisms into compounds that exist in nature. If something is biodegradable, it should also be safe for the compost pile, right? Unfortunately, that is not the case. While all compostable plastics are biodegradable, not all biodegradable plastics can be composted. A compostable material, like PLA, must break down into chemicals that would replenish the soil. Something that biodegrades just has to become a naturally found substance. Also, the composting process for plastics can require much more specific conditions than people can provide in their homes. These plastics frequently need to go to a composting facility where they can use specific levels of heat and humidity to help microorganisms break things down. The other tricky part is that these plastics must be mixed with other materials that will break down within a similar time frame without leaving any toxins behind. At this point, the EPA doesn't have a system to decide whether or not the plastic can be composted outside of one of these facilities. On the upside, there are scientists and engineers currently working on plastics we could compost at home. A professor of materials science and engineering as well as chemistry called Ting Zhu and her team at UC Berkeley's College of Chemistry are experimenting with programmed degradation. In this process, the plastics are created with specific enzymes inside them that don't activate until the sample is exposed to heat and water. The team worked with PLA and PCl. They found that 80% of the PLA broke down in room temperature water in about a week. When they raised the temperature, the plastics disappeared within days after the experiment started. Imagine being able to safely dissolve away unwanted plastics when you're finished using them. Researchers at the University of Washington are working on another type of plastic. Their solution breaks down within the same time frame as a banana peel does inside of a home-based compost bin. They are building their plastics from cyanobacteria cells, which are heat-resistant. Their current designs are stronger than previous versions, but still brittle. These plastics also break down too easily in water, so they are still exploring how to address these challenges. Maybe one of you will help create new solutions in this area of materials science. Thanks for watching this episode of Ask STARBASE, and a special thank you to Mac and Chaz for asking this question. If you'd like to learn more about how plastics break down, check out episodes 112, Can Mushrooms Eat Plastic? And 125, Why Do Water Bottles Have Expiration Dates? If you have a STEM question that we didn't answer yet, please go ahead and email it to ask@starbase-ct.com, or you can submit it through our website, starbase-ct.com. Stay safe and be well. Bye!